In the heart of a quaint village named Willowbrook, the inhabitants eagerly awaited the arrival of the rainy season. The village was surrounded by lush green fields and fertile farmlands that owed their prosperity to the annual downpour. The villagers had learned to cherish rain not just as a weather phenomenon, but as a true blessing that sustained their way of life. The story begins with a young girl named Alara. She had grown up listening to her grandmother's tales about the magical properties of rain. These stories spoke of rain as a life-giving force, a gift from the heavens that brought forth growth and renewal. One day, as the first droplets of rain began to fall, Alara decided to explore the wonders of the village with a newfound curiosity. She noticed how the land seemed to come alive, as if awakening from a deep slumber. The earth soaked up the rain like a thirsty traveler at an oasis, and Alara could almost hear the sigh of relief that echoed through the fields. As the rain continued to fall, Alara ventured to the village square where an old storyteller named Gideon was sharing his wisdom. Gideon spoke of rain's ability to cleanse and purify, washing away the accumulated dust of life and leaving behind a sense of renewal. The villagers listened with rapt attention, recognizing the truth in his words. The rain not only nourished the soil, but also breathed life into the village's traditions. The villagers celebrated the rain with a festival, dancing under the drizzle and singing songs of gratitude. Each drop that touched their skin felt like a gentle caress, a reminder of the interconnectedness between nature and humanity. As the rainy season progressed, Alara began to notice the vibrant transformation around her. The fields burst forth with a kaleidoscope of colors as flowers bloomed and crops thrived. The once barren trees stood tall, adorned with lush leaves that glistened in the rain's embrace. Alara marveled at how rain had the power to turn even the simplest moments into a symphony of life. One afternoon, while exploring the outskirts of the village, Alara stumbled upon a hidden garden. The garden was a sanctuary of serenity, filled with delicate ferns and tranquil ponds. She noticed an elderly gardener tending to the plants with care, and she approached him with curiosity. His name was Tobias, and he shared his philosophy that rain was a teacher of patience and resilience. Rain teaches us that growth takes time, Tobias explained, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. Just as seeds need time to sprout, we too must embrace the journey of progress. Rain reminds us to have faith in the process, even when the path ahead seems obscured. Alara took Tobias's words to heart and returned to the village with a newfound appreciation for the rain's teachings. She noticed how the villagers carried themselves with a sense of serenity and contentment, knowing that rain was a reminder of life's cyclical nature. As the rainy season drew to a close, Alara couldn't help but feel a twinge of sadness. The rain had become a dear friend, a constant companion that had taught her valuable lessons about growth, renewal, and interconnectedness. She realized that rain was not just about the physical benefits it bestowed upon the land, but about the deeper connection it fostered between people, nature, and the rhythm of life. With the last droplets of rain, the villagers gathered one final time to express their gratitude. They held hands and looked up at the sky, sending their thanks for the blessings of the season. Alara felt a sense of unity as she stood among them, understanding that rain had not only enriched the land but had also woven a tapestry of shared experiences and memories. As the sun emerged from behind the clouds, a rainbow arched across the sky, a symbol of hope and promise. Alara realized that just as rain had nourished the village, it had also nourished her soul. And as she looked at the rainbow, she knew that the lessons of the rainy season would continue to guide her on her journey, reminding her to embrace life's ebb and flow with open arms and a grateful heart. The arrival of the dry season brought a sense of anticipation to the village. As the fields dried and the earth crumbled underfoot, the villagers continued to carry the lessons of the rainy season with them. Alara watched as they worked the land, tending to the crops with the same patience they had learned from Rain. They used the water they had stored during the rainy season wisely, understanding the importance of conserving resources. Yet, even as the village prepared for the challenges of the dry season, the memory of rain lingered in their hearts. They gathered in the village square, sharing stories of the rainy days and the moments of connection it had brought. Alara listened as villagers recounted how the rain had united them in a common purpose, how it had reminded them of the fragile beauty of life, and how it had taught them to appreciate the present moment. Alara, inspired by the villagers' stories, decided to organize a project that would capture the essence of the rainy season. She worked with artists, musicians, and storytellers to create a mural that depicted the journey of rain from the heavens to the earth. The mural served as a reminder of the interconnectedness between nature and human life, a visual representation of the lessons rain had taught. As the dry season persisted, the mural became a symbol of hope and unity. Villagers would gather around it, sharing stories of the rainy season and drawing strength from its message. The mural became a place of reflection and inspiration, a touchstone for the community during times of challenge. With the arrival of the next rainy season, the village greeted the rain with open arms. They danced in the downpour, their laughter mingling with the sound of raindrops. The mural, which had weathered the dry season, seemed to come alive as raindrops cascaded down its surface. It was as if the mural itself was a living testament to the cyclical nature of life, a reminder that rain would always return, just as challenges would give way to renewal. As the rainwater rejuvenated the fields and quenched the land's thirst, Alara realized that the benefits of rain extended far beyond its immediate effects. Rain had become a teacher, guiding the villagers through the seasons of life. It had taught them to be patient in the face of adversity, to appreciate the fleeting moments of beauty, and to cultivate a sense of community and gratitude. And so, the village of Willowbrook continued to thrive, not just because of the rain's physical blessings, but because of the profound impact it had on their perspective and way of life. The lessons of rain had become an integral part of their culture, a legacy passed down from generation to generation. Alara, now a respected storyteller in her own right, shared the story of Willowbrook with outsiders who visited the village. She spoke of the village's deep connection to rain, of how rain had taught them to find beauty in the ordinary, and how it had inspired them to nurture both the land and the bonds that held their community together. As the years went by, the story of Willowbrook and its relationship with rain spread far and wide. It became a symbol of the profound impact nature could have on human life when embraced with an open heart and a willingness to learn. And as rain continued to bless the village, its benefits extended not only to the fields and the earth, but also to the hearts and souls of its inhabitants, reminding them of the beauty that could be found in every drop of rain.